Do you struggle with cracks or stress marks after welding temperature sensors? Cracking and thermal stress can compromise the integrity of temperature sensors like PT100, NTC, and PTC. The Tate temperature sensor welding machine minimizes the risk of thermal stress and cracking by using medium-frequency precision welding, which distributes heat evenly and controls the cooling rate. This ensures stronger, more durable welds and eliminates the risk of stress-related failures. Prevent cracking and improve the lifespan of your sensors with Tate's precise welding solution.